Struggling to read emails in Outlook because the text feels too small? In this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to make your emails bigger so reading is easier and more comfortable. Start in your main Outlook interface where you can see your inbox and other folders. Close any banners or prompts to get a clear view. Click on any email you want to read. It will open either on the right panel or in a new window, depending on your settings. At the top of the opened email, look for the View tab. Click on it, and you'll see an option called Zoom. This is where you can adjust the text size for better readability. Click Zoom, and a dialog box will appear with different percentage options. 100% is standard, 125% makes the text slightly larger, and you can go higher for even bigger text. Choose the zoom level that feels comfortable, then click OK. Your email's text will instantly resize. Increasing the zoom makes reading long emails much easier, reduces eye strain, and helps you focus on important details. Keep in mind, these settings apply only to the email you're currently viewing. For other emails, you'll need to adjust the zoom again or explore accessibility settings for a more permanent solution. And that's it. You've successfully made your Outlook emails bigger and easier to read. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.